mixer and pulsed it. You can use the plain or you can use the flavored. You can use the spicy one or the teriyaki or just the plain one that they have by Daring. And so then you get this beautiful chicken-like texture. Make sure you get it all out. Don't waste it. Use a nice little spatula and get everything out. And then you're going to add your traditional recipe, the traditional items. Bell peppers, I use bell peppers, purple onions, and celery. I'm gonna add that. And then we're gonna add a plant-based mayo. Here you go right here. This is about 4 tablespoons of plant-based mayo. You're gonna add that into your bowl with your Daring plant-based chicken. And we like to use a relish in this. So this is a relish. This is a plant-based relish. So you're gonna add that and then you are just going to mix it. I also always add garlic. I add garlic to everything I eat, everything we make. So this is just some garlic. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of garlic because garlic is good for you and it's absolutely delicious. I'm gonna add some smoked paprika because I like the smoky flavor that it gives. And then we're gonna add a little bit of cayenne pepper because you know everything needs to be hot. There you go. And then you're gonna just mix it. I'm gonna show you, let you see me mixing it. And then you mix it all together. And I'm gonna let Gil taste test it. He's gonna be our taste tester. He's gonna come from behind the camera and we're gonna let him taste it. But this is our Daring plant-based chicken salad. And you see how long that took? So if you get home and you're in a rush and you need to make something to eat, try this Daring plant-based, delicious, gluten-free, vegan chicken salad. There you go. I'm gonna let Gil taste it. Come on, babe. I need you to be that taste tester. Come on from behind that camera. And let's see how it tastes. You like it?
I like the olive stuff.
Wonderful. I do too. It gives an extra little kick to it. So we're going to sit down and have food together. I'm going to fix his plate and let him eat. So we love you. Make your meals delicious and rainbow rich